It took us 4 hours to launch this complete website. Premium design, custom animations, fully integrated with our booking system, and the whole thing was coded using AI. Now, in the past, you'd need a designer, a developer, weeks of back and forth, and probably 3 to 4 weeks before anything goes live. We did it in 4 hours by leveraging the power of AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you the entire process, tools, and skills we've used. First, we'll go through the design system, next the full site build, and then how we animated it and shipped it live. Okay, so before you start any AI tool, you need a clear brand identity. It's gonna be your foundations. Because without one, every asset you will generate using AI will not be on brand and will not be consistent. And we obviously don't want that. So in our case, we've done a very simple one-pager, as you can see over here, but it can be, and I actually recommend you to have a way more complete document, because as always, the more context you will give to the AI, the better the output will be. As we want it to move fast, we've done only this simple one-pager, and we've simply went into File, then Save Local Copy, and this will save a .fig file. And once you've exported your branding file, you can move on to the next step. 2 weeks ago, Claude just released a new tool which is called Claude Design. I made a complete video about it last week if you want to check it out. But essentially, you can just go to claude.ai, then click on this icon. And the only feature that we've used on this tool is the design system creation. Let's take this one as an example. And the way it works is very simple. You just have to firstly describe your company, and then you need to provide examples of your design system and products. But if you don't have a complete code base with a design system already created, then the best method is to add your brand guidelines. So all you have to do is to drag and drop your .fig file. Then you can choose which page you want to attach. Click on Attach File. Continue to generation, and the AI will generate your complete design system for you. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes, and you have clear guidelines on which typography to use, but also the scales, which colors to use, which gradients, neutral colors, primary colors. But what I've noticed is that Claude Design doesn't give you a lot of credits. So what we prefer to do is to just export this design system by clicking on Share and then hand off to Claude Code, just like that. Here we download the zip, and then we'll hand off this design system to Claude Code, and we build the website from there. I'm using Claude Code inside Cursor, and I'm going to explain you why in a couple of minutes. So you need to open a new project, let's say this one, a blank new project. Then you want to unzip your design system, of course, and then you want to drag it and drop it over here and add the folder to the workspace. And here, if we take a look, we can see that we have all the assets with our logos, for example, over here, the logo mark, everything has been uploaded correctly. Then we have all of our fonts, which are already installed, and the README file, which will teach Claude how to use the design system within our website. And if it's the first time you're using Claude Code and you want to learn how to have the best setup as possible, check it out, my very first YouTube video I've made on this channel, because I cover everything. The model that we've used to build the website is, let me check, Opus 4.7, which is the latest model at the time I record this video. And instead of just writing build me a website using the design system, we've started by making some research and also brainstorming with Claude Code and the team. And we essentially came up with a complete document on which section to design, what would be the copy, what is the main goal of the site. All the strategy behind it was already nailed down, and it was written in a markdown file, just like this one. And from there, Claude had all the context, which means the site architecture and the design system to use. Now, if you are a designer trying to figure out how to actually use AI in your workflow, make sure to drop a follow, because I share insights like this every week. So now we are inside our website workspace, and this is how it works. Essentially, we just had a lot of Claude chats over here, and it was a lot of back and forth between Claude and us. For example, let's say I don't like this section, I will just screenshot it, then I press Shift and upload it over here and be like, okay, I don't really like this section, I think it will look way better using a darker background color, can you make the change? Then we just press enter and Claude will make the change for us, will update the code, And this is, by the way, HTML, CSS. Now we've also used this tool called Paper because sometimes we wanted to make manual edits and it's not possible inside Claude Code. Paper allows us to preview our design. You have a very similar interface as Figma, and for bigger changes we were just asking Claude. Or one thing that we've done also is to have different hero sections at the beginning. So we had this one, for example, then we had this one. So Claude was also very useful for ideation. To make the site even more unique, we've also generated custom assets. Then we have just dropped our assets inside our cursor project, ask Claude Code to integrate it, and this is how it looks. Way better than just having generic icons or illustrations and images that everyone is using. We have on-brand assets that really make this website unique. For that, we've used a tool called Limora. So the workflow is quite simple. You first have to create a project, upload your logo, brand colors, and typography. And then inside Limora, you can generate on-brand assets for any design projects. So we've used it to generate custom illustrations, but you can also create hero images, product photos, mockups, even animate your images to have some cinematic hero videos, and way more. So if you are interested, the tool is going to drop very soon in the coming weeks. So make sure to subscribe to my weekly newsletter because I will share all the updates over here. So we've just downloaded the assets and dropped them inside our workspace. And finally, we've also added some custom animations, as you can see over here. For that, we've used Remotion Skill, and it allowed us to animate this SVG element over here. Same for these nice hover animations. Same for this one as well. This is done thanks to Remotion. Now I want to talk about collaboration because it's something that was a bit annoying sometimes because it's not like when you are designing on Figma or Framer, you don't see live the updates from your teammates. So to fix that, we need to upload this design code to a GitHub repository. And then you need to add your team members. And essentially, once you make any change on the code base from your local machine, you need to ask Claude Code to push those updates to the GitHub repository. And your teammates need to do the same. And finally, to push the website live, we've created an account on Vercel. And the great thing about this tool is that, first of all, it's completely free. We didn't pay a cent to host the website, and we've even connected our custom domain. And the second thing is that the process to deploy the site is very smooth because you can connect your GitHub account to Vercel, and then once it's connected, you can just deploy the site in like a few seconds. So yeah, this was our complete process for building our website. If you have any suggestions or even some ideas on how we can improve this workflow, I'm more than happy to hear it in the comments. Now, if you want to try this exact workflow yourself, I made something for you. I've put together a full workflow in a complete document that you can download by clicking the first link in the video description. And if you are a designer or founder who needs a real brand identity, so you can then generate unlimited and consistent assets for your brand, like landing pages, social media posts, whatever, check the second link in the video description and book a call with me if you are interested. Now, if you want to see my complete AI design tool stack, check this video over here. I'm sure you'll find some interesting tools to add in your workflow.